biggest problem right now in the market is that a lot of airbag and carpet companies are getting leads from these people who are actually selling you the leads on commission basis. See, the leads that you are getting is not a long-term thing, and if you think that you can scale your business to the millions in long term, yeah, of course you can do a millions with that in a year or something, but not long term. This is the fact because they are actually ruining and spamming the market by spamming the homeowners groups, and they don't even have their real names. If they're from Pakistan, Bangladesh, India, and in the end, customer don't know him, customer don't know you. Okay, for now, it's good. So see, basically we don't do that, okay? We cannot give you the jobs and leads and commissions. That's bull. We actually simply make you a growing business on social media and target the right homeowners and the people who are looking for your services. And on top of that, we do a top branding. So people can trust you. People can book job with you automatically. You don't have to pay any commission. The unique selling point of our company, F16 Media, is that you don't have to pay any single dollar on top of the XYZ fee. Okay, you don't have to pay any cut, any commissions, any XYZ money to us beside the fee we deal with you. All right, so if you want to grow your business and you're looking for crazy leads and appointments and to make your company a brand in next 6-7 months, you can simply schedule a call with us. I'm telling you, the marketing for your business is very important. Do it yourself or hire someone. Relying on these people will take you nowhere. Also, if you don't trust us, no problem at all. You can also speak to our clients. Okay, you can talk to them, you can have a deep conversation that either you should choose us or not, if we are worth investing or not, if we can grow your business or not. Everything is going to be very transparent with you, so you don't need to worry. Okay, if you want to grow your business, click the button below. If you want to talk to our clients, no problem at all. You can WhatsApp us. We are working every time. We can talk to you and we can grow your business to the moon together. See you on the other side. Have a good one.